अस्सलामु अलैकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। इन्नल हम्दा वस्सलातु वस्सलामु अला मन ला नबिय्य बअदह अम्मा बअद फ़अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम। I am Salma. I am from Kasipur. I am reading in Khadijatul Kubra Girls Mission. Today I have appeared on this subject, the importance of education in light of the Quran. Surah Al-Alaq. Islam has laid much stress on attaining education. In fact, the first Quranic revelation about education in Islam was read in the name of your Lord, who created man from cloth, a congled blood. Read, and your Lord is the most merciful, who has taught the writing by the pen, taught men about which he knew not. Surah Al-Alaq 1-5. Iqra bismi rabbikal ladhi khalaq, khalaqal insana min 'alaq, Iqra rabbukal akram, alladhi 'allama bil qalam, 'allamal insana ma lam ya'lam. Through education, a person can identify their purpose. He understands where he came from and where he is going to go. He understands how things work in this world. How does it rain? What causes the sky to turn blue? How does the human body work? And the answer to other unlimited, the intuitive questions that can be found out through education. Whoever seeks knowledge can get the answer as well, and when he does, he has no choice but to believe that there is someone who has created all of this. It is not possible for it all to be a coincidence. Such a detail for rational structure is truly the work is divine. Importance of education in light of Hadith. As a messenger of Allah, the Holy Prophet ﷺ has also emphasized in the importance of education in Islam. It was through his teaching and education that the people came to know the truth, embraced Islam is their religion. According to one Hadith on education, the Holy Prophet ﷺ says it is a necessity for every Muslim to seek knowledge. The Prophet ﷺ has deemed education is a necessity for both men and women. Irrespective of color and creed, those who seek knowledge will only gain the truth about this world. According to another Hadith on education, seek knowledge and teach it to other people. Knowledge is there someone, it is never also. The more you spread it, the more it increases. Our Prophet ﷺ emphasizing teaching, it is knowledge is something that you can never lose. The more you spread it, the more you can increases. Our Prophet ﷺ emphasizing teaching in the the poor people. According to Islam, responsibility also falls on the parent to educate their children. An educated child will not only bring benefit for them but also himself and the whole world. In Islam, the best gift a parent can give to his child is good education. According to Hadith in Tirmidhi, a father gives to his child nothing but a good education. The importance of education in Islam. Throughout the history of Islam, we get to see many practical events that have laid stress on the importance of education. One prime example of such an incident occurred in the Ghazwa Badr. After the Muslims stood victorious, they captured 17 non-Muslims. The Prophet ﷺ emphasizing the importance of education in Islam, set criteria for the release of these prisoners of war. The Prophet ﷺ stated that those non-Muslims who are illiterate can be free if they can educate 10 Muslims. Bottom line, through these verses and importance of education in Islam, along with its impacts and individual and collective levels. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.